If you've ever watched a YouTube video in full screen on Chrome and still seen the Windows taskbar at the bottom, you know how distracting that can be. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide the taskbar when YouTube is full screen in Chrome, using a super quick method that takes just a few seconds. This is perfect if you want a cleaner viewing experience, fewer distractions, and true full screen playback. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, go to YouTube and load up any video you want to watch. It doesn't matter which video you choose because the settings we're using will work the same way across all videos. After the video starts playing, look for the full screen icon in the bottom right corner of the YouTube player. Click that icon, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, just press F on your keyboard. This will put the YouTube video into full screen mode. In many cases, that's enough. But if you notice the Windows taskbar is still showing at the bottom of the screen, don't worry, because there's an even better fix. The next step is to put the entire Chrome browser into full screen mode. To do that, simply press F11 on your keyboard. This is a really important step because it tells Chrome to go fully full screen, not just the YouTube player. Once you press F11, Chrome should expand to cover the entire screen, and the Windows taskbar will usually disappear completely. Now your YouTube view video should look much cleaner and more immersive with no taskbar getting in the way. If the taskbar still appears for a moment, just give it a second and it should hide automatically. And if you ever want to exit full screen, you can press F11 again or press escape to leave YouTube full screen first, depending on how you entered it. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, open YouTube, play a video, click the full screen icon or press F. And if the taskbar still shows, press F11 to full screen the browser itself. That's the fastest way to hide the taskbar when YouTube is full screen in Chrome. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.